Yeah, people, so Masicka just drop a new song, that one named Voice of the Voiceless. And that one have to drop 3:30, you know, people. A matter of fact, 3 o'clock, you know, people. Yeah, man, 3 p.m. live on the Masicka Genocide YouTube page. Masicka just express him life, what it was like before reaching to that stage, yeah. Let me play the song for you so you can hear what I go on.
Bit too young to make a change, so me used to wish for move me peeps them out the ghetto, every youth for rich. Another night without the food, dog me used to this. And we da fight and we da lose, but me not new to this.
So Masicka say right now, him they too young for make a change. You know, as a youth, you just left all high school and you wonder, oh, you can set it for your parents, cause you see your parents them struggle for bring you up, send you go to school and give you lunch money and them thing there. So Masicka say, yo, right now, him used to a wish for them thing there. You see me just for can make a change in him life. For move him people them out of the ghetto where them come from, out of garrison, to a better life. Enough of we used to that, cause you have to look all in your fridge all 10 times and wonder if no food appear, nothing appear. You just drink some water and go to your bed. You see me? You must say, you know, we fight, we lose, we win sometime, but him not new to it.
Mommy, when I could find the money, cool with it, swear to God, me must buy a house with a pool in it. Try if you're not busy, give me few minutes. Protect me, but my gun me have to move with it.
Yeah, man. So right now, Masicka say, even though his mother couldn't find the money for send him go to school sometime, could have hard for find for lunch money. Him cool with it cause him know the situation. And him know what it is like. Him know say it hard on his mother. And she one might be a single parent. You see me I say? Yeah, so right now Masicka say him swear to God he must buy her a house just for make up for all of them struggles there and all of the fight that we should put up with for make fame life better and for try make sure say him alright as a youth. Yeah. So I just that Masicka say right there so and it's like him a talk to Father God. And I say, Father God, if you're not too busy, just give me 2 minutes out of your time and listen to what me have to say. Help me out of that situation here. Yeah, while him a talk to Father God, him a beg Father God for just watch over him head to protect him, guide him in the streets. But him still not take no check with mankind. Him still have to move around with him protection. Him strap, you see me? Cause you can't trust no man. You see me I say, you can't trust mankind.
Cause when my band, me never band with one spoon in it. My friend them gone and them a some grave them soon dig it. More time we could find lunch money. Then I'm not sure when school finish we still stay strong. Still stay strong.
Yeah man, so the whole idea of the song people is showing the struggles how rough it is coming up. You still have to stay strong, you still have to stay positive. Now Masicka just remind the people them say when I'm born, I'm never born with no gold spoon in my mouth. You see me? Enough of them friend them gone and drop out. And people are watch and attack and but him still a stay strong. Enough time when school done him even have no dinner go home too. You see me I say so I same thing Masicka say in a different way right as so now. Just forget the point across. Yeah man, so we could just stay tuned till 3 p.m. on the official Masicka website. Yeah people. So stay tuned. This is another positive song, another conscious thing from Masicka. Yeah man, just for make you know the struggles where I come from and where I go, where I mean. And that him tell people them say, yo, you just have to know where I go. No matter where they know, you still can come out of it and you still can go somewhere and become something. Yeah man, so you have to know that. And keep positive. Yeah man, keep focused and you must get there. Yeah man, just facts. Straight.